Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring tasks in ClickUp. This is incredibly useful for managing regular activities like weekly meetings, monthly reports, or daily check-ins, saving you time from manually creating the same task over and over again. First, open your browser and navigate to clickup.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your main ClickUp workspace where you can manage all your projects and tasks. Once you're logged in, take a look at your left-hand panel. Here you'll find the navigation menu where all your workspaces are organized. Locate and click on Spaces. Spaces in ClickUp are essentially containers that help you organize different areas of work or departments, making it easier to keep everything structured and accessible. After clicking on Spaces, you'll see a list of all the spaces you have access to. Browse through them and select the specific space where you want to create your recurring task. Then click on it. This will open up that space and show you all the projects contained within it. Now you need to select a project where your recurring task will live. Find the project you want to work with, and once you've located it, click on the three dots next to the project name. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, click on Create New, and then select Create Task. This action opens up a dialog box where you can set up your new task. In the task creation window, you'll see a field asking for the task name. Type in something descriptive that clearly identifies what this recurring task is for, like meeting or whatever suits your needs. Once you've entered the name, click Create Task. The task will now appear in your project list, but we're not done yet since we need to make it recurring. Click on the task you just created to open its detailed view. This is where you can customize all aspects of the task, from descriptions to assignees to dates. Look for the section labeled Dates and click on it. This is where all the scheduling magic happens, and it's crucial for setting up your recurring pattern. Within the Dates section, you'll see an option that says Set Recurring. Click on that, and you'll be presented with several frequency options. You can choose whether you want this task to repeat daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, days after completion, or even create a custom schedule if none of the preset options fit your needs. Select the frequency that works best for your task. Right below your frequency selection, you'll notice another option. Make sure it's set to On a Schedule. This ensures that your task will recur based on calendar dates rather than completion dates, which is usually what most people need for regular scheduled activities. Now comes the important part, setting when this recurring pattern should begin. Look at the calendar that appears and choose the date where you want your recurring task to start. This will be the first occurrence of the task, and all subsequent recurrences will follow from this starting point based on the frequency you selected earlier. Once you've chosen your start date and confirmed all your settings look correct, click Save. ClickUp will now automatically generate this task on the schedule you've specified, and you won't have to worry about manually creating it each time. And there you have it, you've successfully created a recurring task in ClickUp that will automatically appear on your scheduled dates. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.